Hi, this is Karen with WTI. This new trends, Apple Pencil tips, has been amazing to replace my old Apple Pencil tips. And because of the work that I do on my tablet, it has to be precise. And sometimes I'll be editing videos or I'll be editing some images. And the softness of the tip, it makes my work so much easier. The nib is a nickel-plated metal and it feels really sensitive and smooth and really round on the tip, so it doesn't scratch any of the screen of my tablet. It runs smoothly whenever I'm doing some lettering on my tablet. And I also love the fact that it works not just for my Apple Pencil second generation, but my husband's first generation Apple Pencil. So whenever I need to replace either his or my Apple Pencil tip, I have it. And that's my point of view.